Let's make hot honey peach pork steaks on the grill. Lemon juice. Lots of juice. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Grilling with Rubes. Thanks for joining us. These pork steaks are very budget friendly, a lot cheaper than a ribeye, and can be cooked pretty fast. Let's see if it works. Stay tuned. Also going to be using my $98 grill again on this one. It's the Expert Grill from Walmart. Original price $129. They took it down to $98. Great deal. So far it's been working out really good. I like all the features on it. I do like the charcoal door that they have on this. Very convenient. And then the raise and lowering of the charcoal grate as well, which is really good. If you want to grill something really fast, you can raise that up. Probably going to be doing that with the pork steaks as well. And then again, we're using our Jealous Devil Flex. It's our hardwood briquettes. And we're going to light it up with these Weber lighter cubes. One is probably going to be enough for it. Right down in there. Chimney starter. Fill it all the way to the top. Instant lighting on that thing. On we go. Alright, so here we have our pork steaks that we're going to use. These are pork shoulder butt blade steaks. So these have been cut from the pork shoulder. You can get them pretty much any supermarket, grocery store. $6 on that. I can't believe that. So $6 for 2 steaks. These are fairly thin steaks. They're probably less than a ½ inch, so they should cook really fast. First off, I'm just going to take them out. Just going to dry them up a little bit. And then I'm going to use some duck fat spray. I love this. This is cooking oil spray. Give this a little extra flavor. You can use canola oil, vegetable oil, avocado oil, whatever you prefer, but I'm going to use this. Let's get a nice little layer on there. Meat Church. This is the hot version of Honey Hog. Love the spicy kick on it. We're going to get a little more spice with that hot honey also. A good amount on this. Get all the edges. And put these guys over. More of the spray. So I'm going to put this in the fridge while we're waiting for our charcoal. And I'm going to cut up some peaches next. Alright, so here we've got our peaches. These are South Carolina peaches. So whatever peaches you decide to use, any's going to work for these. I've tasted these before and really liked them. Alright, and I gave these a good wash as well. Alright, very simple, down the middle. For the seasoning on these, what we're going to do, brown sugar, and then next up just some cinnamon, light little dusting, put a little bit of salt over top, kind of counter that sweetness there a little bit. Then we're going to hit it with some lemon when it's all done. Now you can also put some cheese on it as well. Feta and goat cheese crumbles would be great on this. Well, we are all set with everything. Just waiting on that fire. Let's check out and see how it's doing. Getting ready to pour this. So this is not going to be a 2-zone. I'm going to distribute this charcoal evenly across the bottom everywhere. I like having these split in half. It makes it much easier. I'm going to hit this with a little bit of spray. Pork steaks down on direct heat, although most of this is already direct heat. All right, so let those go for about maybe 3 to 4 minutes per side. Here we got a 1/4 cup of the peach preserves. Don't know if we can see that. And then we got a couple tablespoons of the hot honey. We got some Dijon mustard. Gotta love that. Let's top it with some apple cider vinegar. Very little, not much. Give this a mix. So our pork steaks, let us see where they're at. Heat up a little bit. Not gonna take long here on this. Let's see where we're at. Oh, that's looking really good. Okay, we're gonna bring up that heat. So we can see here. Okay, that's looking pretty good there. Don't need too much. In the last couple of minutes, we're gonna hit the peaches as well. Flip, first flip. Really nice there. That's the hottest part. Okay, we're good. Let's give our peach glaze a little bit of a stir. It's going to cook slowly. You don't have to cook it on high heat. You just want these to be warmed up. Careful with the peaches coming up now. Get these cooking straight down in the cut side. Thanks for grilling with me. Subscribe for more recipes, barbecue tips, and grilling challenges every week. Let's see how this turns out. Some of that juice over it. Very nice. Check this temperature. We only need it to be about 140. All right, that's already there. So we're gonna hit it with this peach glaze now. Take this off. Just the top. Oh, I can smell that. Wow, that's great. Oh, get it in every nook and cranny there of that steak. All right, very nice. We'll let that, let's see how these guys are doing. Ooh, it's getting a nice char on that side. Ooh, all right. All right, they're already done. Just want to get them over on this side. Don't really have an indirect side, but I'm going to get these peaches. There we go. Oh, that's looking good too. All right, so we can take off our pork. There it is. Looking really good there. Okay, don't need a lot with these pork steaks. I mean, that's it. Okay, let's see how our peaches are doing. I've got a nice caramelization on that. That's great. Ooh, okay, so we'll flip them over. We're gonna get the other side, get them nice and softened up. Peaches are almost done. I'm gonna drizzle them with a little bit of that hot honey. There are the peaches. And right here we have our pork steaks, cooked to about 145 with a delicious pork glaze. All right, there we have it. We have our pork steak, and then we've got some peaches. Ooh, oh, that looks delicious. Wow. We've got the grilled peaches as a side, and then we have our grilled pork steaks with a hot honey peach glaze. Last touch, lemon juice. Weird, but to cut some of that sweetness, I'm gonna try out the peaches first. Oh, that's so good. Peaches still got a little bite to it, but nice and sweet. And a lemon on top. Oh, great touch. Hot honey, a little spicy kick. Oh, I'm loving that. Pork steaks. Oh, that's some juicy. Love the glaze on the top. Wow. A little spiciness there. Nice. I'm loving those peaches. That's great. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, watch for my upcoming videos. And don't forget to leave a comment. I enjoy reading them. They really teach me a lot, whether they're good or bad. It helps me out a lot and keeps me on the right track. Again, thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.